Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step by step course that works in 2019 and 20. Today we will start model number 2, my secret VIP methods that works. These methods I have worked last 6 months and that absolutely good work for me. I hope that methods also working for you and you will earn more money on these methods. So today we will cover how to find groups works on secret VIP methods. So let's start. You need to join 4 type of groups: Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups and forum groups. So how you can search that groups for work on Click Exchange. So here I show you how you can make money with Facebook groups. Google, and here you need to search C4C Facebook groups. Here you can check many thousands of groups are available for work on C4C. C4C means click for click or click exchange. So you can search all of these groups. You need to join. Open this group, C4C student group or public group. AdSense Click Exchange Worldwide Public Group, AdSense High Click Exchange, C4C S4S, and C4C Army Generals. Here you can check also this group, and Organic C4C Public Group. This is 4th group, and C4C Round the World Public Group. You need to join only these all of groups you need to join. And here you can check 300 members in this group, and also he write the all terms of this group who can join, student can join these groups. And here you need only exchange click. You need to message in this group, hi, I want to C4C, and post in this group. Many people are coming on your messenger and they will message you, hi, I want to exchange click. Then you need to chat with him and send your website to him. They will click to your website and they send you his website. You need to find his website on Google and click 1. This is the first step. I have closed this group, and also this group available. Google AdSense Click Exchange is very responsive, honest and popular ad click exchange group where we can people connect with each other, and you can join this group also. This group have 7,500 plus members. And here what is the rules of this group? Here rules is 40 page view, 1 click, 3 inner, 1 minute gap. That means you need to if you exchange click with someone, you need to 40 page view on his website and 1 ad click and 3 inner. 3 inner means when you click on ad website, when you click on ad, you going to ad website. Then now you need to open 3 any other pages of ads website. This is called inner clicks. After that, he write with 1 minute gap. Here you need to give 1 minute after click on ad. This is very interesting rule of this website, and these all people are honest. I personally have used these groups, and when I exchange click with someone, they are very professional, and they are very honest people. If you click on his website, they also click on your website, your ads. So you can join these groups for these work, C4C or Click Exchange. This is third group, AdSense High CPC Click Exchange. This is also very interesting group. You can check here 22,000 members in this group, and this is very important group, and if you join this group, you can increase your earning, and you will earn $200 to $500 per day from this group if you have powerful strategy. Before lecture, I already show you, if your websites any keyword or rank on Google, after that you join to this Facebook group, and you say to people, go to Google, search this keyword. After that you will find my website. My website name is this one. After search on Google, go to my website and read 20 to 30 articles and stay minimum 10 to 20 seconds. After, if you found any educational insurance type ads on my website, then you click on that ad. After click, you going to ads website, and in the ad website you need to open any 3 or 4 other pages from ad website. So if someone work on this type, you will be get $1 to $2 CPC from that single click. So this is the powerful strategy. You can join this group also, and this one is not open, and this is C4C around the world. This also group for Click Exchange. Second thing, I show you how you can search Facebook group. The first step is C4C Facebook or C4C AdSense. If you write, also you will get many Facebook groups here, and right here Click Exchange, Clicks Exchange, Click Exchange, Facebook groups. If you search this type, Click Exchange Facebook group, also you will find many groups here available. Here you can check AdSense High CPC Click Exchange group, AdSense Ads Exchange Public group. Same groups are coming on this result. And if you search AdSense Facebook group AdSense, here all groups for AdSense only work on Click Exchange, not any other work. I have joined 50 plus group on Facebook for Click Exchange, and what I am doing, personal my experience, I have used 5 groups per day. For example, I have start in the morning, and I go to these 5 Facebook group one by one. First I start in single group. For example, I have start my work from this group, and this group I have post I want to C4C or Click Exchange. If someone interested, come to inbox. So people are come to my Facebook Messenger. I have send message. I have chat with him, and I say go to Google search this keyword and try to find my website. My website name is this one. After that, he go to my website, page view 40 or 30 or 20, anything you want. I write personally 30 page view on my website and stay each page 10 seconds and try to find high CPC ad. High CPC mean education, insurance or something groups, something ads you need to find. When you find this ad, click on that ad. Go to ads website and open any other 3 or 4 pages in ads website. After that, go to your browser and take a screenshot of your browser history and send me here. So same work I will do for you. After that, that people are doing work for me and they send me a screenshot of browser history for as a proof, and I have work for him to his website and I also send browser history screenshot to him on Facebook, and I click on his website and he click on my website. This is called click exchange. Here is many groups available for Facebook. Number 2, WhatsApp groups. I will show you how you can find WhatsApp groups. C4C WhatsApp group. Latest AdSense AdMob WhatsApp group links. Maybe here available many WhatsApp group for AdSense clickers. And join group Google WhatsApp group link list here. Also join USA WhatsApp group link. This is no need. New AdMob AdSense WhatsApp group links. This is many websites are available here. These websites provide you direct joining link. For example, here you can check many thousands available groups are available for C4C. Check here. AdMob Self-Click, AdMob Group App, C4C Honestly, AdMob Earning, AdMob Learn AdMob Together, Daily C4C VPN User, AdSense for Life. Here many thousands groups are available for exchange your Google AdSense or AdMob. You can get many clicks from these groups and they can get many clicks from you. This is called click exchange. This is second method. WhatsApp group, I have closed this one, and here also maybe WhatsApp, here you can check chat WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp group link. If someone click on this link, automatically they can join his WhatsApp group and you can work on click exchange. Join Google WhatsApp group link list. Here maybe my Google group, maybe this is exchange group. Group AdSense Earning, this is also ad exchange group. AdSense Ad Viewer, only C4C high CPC group link, earn free crypto site C4C. These all WhatsApp group for click exchange work. Click exchange work. Here many groups links are available. Only you need to join this group and exchange click with someone. Someone click on your website, you need to click on his website. This is simple work. And third one is Telegram group. You need to search on Google C4C Telegram group. See, already coming. This is maybe many available here. Latest AdSense WhatsApp group link. We need Telegram group. For example, WhatsApp group for AdSense clicker, same list are coming. AdMob Telegram group, AdMob C4C WhatsApp group. We will search this one. Telegram groups. You can make group on Telegram for Click Exchange. You also can make group on Facebook for Click Exchange. You also can make group on WhatsApp for Click Exchange work. This is very simple method, and I have used these methods from last 6 months, and when I exchange click with someone, my clicks, all clicks are accepted on Google AdSense, and when I work for someone, all my clicks accept on his account. So this is very simple and best method. You can exchange click with someone. And number 4 is forum groups. Here we will show you. This is our forum, Black Hat Pro, and here you can check group, my groups, AdSense clickers. Here also group available. Omo Familiar, many groups here also available. And if you want to create exchange group, you also can create here a group on this forum, AdSense clickers. You can join this group also, and you can create also this type of groups on the forum. If you create Click Exchange for group in forum, you can invite people to join these groups, and you will work together for Click Exchange. This is very simple strategy, and this strategy we will work on this strategy, and I hope this strategy will be work in next 1 year, because Google don't know if you exchange click with someone one day, and next time same people you need to exchange after 1 week. Not exchange your click on daily same people. You need to exchange people also. So this is the method of Click Exchange. You need to join Facebook group for C4C or Click Exchange. You need to join WhatsApp group for C4C and Click Exchange. You need to join Telegram groups for C4C and Click Exchange, and forum group. If you don't have a time for Click Exchange work, and if you don't need how I am working, I am so lazy, how I can work, so you can hire someone for salary, and you can educate for how to this work for Click Exchange, and someone you can hire, and someone can work for you and earn on your Google AdSense account. You can pay him salary. So this is group exchange, my secret method. How to find groups works for secret VIP method. Next lecture we will cover best app that works for Get Mobile.